All right, friends. Today's package hails from Mood Fabric. There's one in LA, and there is one, I think, in New York. You've probably heard of Mood if you watch Project Runway. And I'm super duper excited, but I also am struggling to open this one up. Ooh, this is hard. So, in case you're wondering, there is fabric in here, which is why I'm being super cautious about how I open it, because there's fabric in here. Alright, guys. What is this fabric for? This is for a friend of mine. I'm making him a suit jacket. Oh, wow. And he wanted it to be really cool. And he picked the fabric. Beautiful, huh? Actually, this pattern is much bigger, larger than I thought it was going to be. It is really very, very pretty. It has a slight stretch to it, very slight. This is a cotton. This is called a Mood Exclusive Mary Beyond Measure Stretch Cotton. I'm really excited about this. Yeah. It's so pretty. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I opened this package. I'm going to be working on this weekend because he needs it before Friday. So I gotta have it done in exactly a week. And I'm really looking forward to it. So stay tuned. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, you probably should. It's Madsen Creations on Instagram. And keep a lookout for this suit jacket that is coming your way.